What are smart kitchen gadgets?
Smart kitchen gadgets are appliances and tools connected to the internet or your smartphone. These include smart refrigerators, Wi-Fi-enabled ovens, and app-controlled coffee makers. Their main purpose is to make cooking safer, more convenient, and efficient. However, like any technology, it's important to understand the specific safety concerns that come with using these devices in your home.
Are smart kitchen gadgets safe to use?
Most smart kitchen gadgets are designed with safety features such as automatic shutoff and alerts. However, they can still present risks like software glitches, electrical issues, or hacking. Proper use and maintenance are key to ensuring their safety. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and keep software up to date to minimize risks.
What are the most common risks?
The main safety risks with smart kitchen gadgets include fire hazards from malfunctions, privacy breaches if your gadgets are hacked, and electrical problems from faulty wiring. Weak passwords or outdated software can make devices vulnerable to unauthorized access, increasing your risk. Awareness of these issues is the first step toward protecting your home.
How can I protect my smart kitchen?
To stay safe, choose reputable brands with solid security features. Regularly update software and firmware to patch security holes. Use strong, unique passwords for your gadgets and Wi-Fi network. Avoid leaving devices unattended during use, and unplug them when not in use. These simple habits greatly reduce safety and privacy risks.
Where can I find more guidance?
For extra peace of mind, consult user manuals and customer support for tips specific to your device. Online consumer groups and safety organizations offer additional advice. Being proactive and informed helps ensure you can enjoy the benefits of smart kitchen gadgets while minimizing potential risks.